If you're planning to buy a car in 2025, this video might save you from a huge financial mistake. Some cars look amazing in the showroom, but in reality, they come with expensive repairs, poor reliability, and frustrating ownership experiences. This list is not opinion. It's based on real owner complaints and expert reliability ratings. Let's begin. Welcome back to the Cars World, your go-to place for smart car buying tips, honest reviews, and real-world reliability insights. Here, we cut through the marketing hype and tell you exactly what's worth your money and what isn't. 7. Jeep Compass, 2018 to 2023 models. Why to avoid stylish design, but once you drive it, the flaws appear. Owners report slow acceleration, uncomfortable seats, and cheap-feeling interiors. Reliability, below average according to J.D. Power. Common issues, transmission hesitation and electrical glitches. Better alternative, Mazda CX-5. Better build quality, more fun to drive. Number 6. Nissan Altima, 2017 to 2021 models. Why to avoid comfortable sedan, but its CVT transmission is a nightmare for many owners. Repairs can cost $3,000 to $4,000, and sometimes replacements are needed before 100,000 miles. Reliability, declining scores in consumer reports. Better alternative, Toyota Camry, proven reliability and strong resale value. 5. Mitsubishi Mirage, 2018 to 2022 models. Why to avoid? Yes, it's affordable and fuel efficient, but that's where the positives end. Underpowered engine, lots of road noise, and feels unsafe at higher speeds. Resale value, among the lowest in its class. Better alternative, Honda Fit. Equally efficient, but far better driving experience. 4. Land Rover Discovery Sport, 2016 to 2020 models. Why to avoid? Luxury appeal with an unreliable heart. Owners report oil leaks, electrical failures, and expensive parts. Average annual repair cost, $1,200 plus. Better alternative, Lexus RX. Luxury plus bulletproof reliability. 3. Chrysler 200, 2015 to 2017 models. Why to avoid? Discontinued due to poor sales and bad reviews. Transmission jerks, cramped back seat, and low fuel economy make it a poor choice. Resale value is very low, meaning you'll lose money fast. Better alternative, Hyundai Sonata. More space, better features, longer warranty. Cert 2. Fiat 500L, 2014 to 2019 models. Why to avoid? Fun design, but plagued by build quality problems. Electrical issues, weak air conditioning, and poor interior durability are common. Ranked near the bottom in owner satisfaction by Consumer Reports. Better alternative, Kia Soul. Quirky styling with better reliability. Then 1. Dodge Journey, 2009 to 2020 models. Why to avoid? This SUV stayed on sale for over a decade without major updates. Outdated safety tech, low fuel economy, and mechanical issues make it a risky purchase. Owners also complain about uncomfortable seats and poor handling. Better alternative, Honda CR-V. More reliable, more efficient, and safer. Buying a car is one of the biggest financial decisions you'll make, so never rely on looks alone. Always check reliability scores, read owner reviews, and compare long-term costs. Which car on this list surprised you the most? Tell us in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, subscribe for more real, data-driven car advice.